In this video, we are going to change that how can make a online salary sheet and organization. So let's start. Click the right button of mouse, press the new and press the MS Excel. You can write a file name. We can make a salary sheet about John Internet Shop. So we write a file name John Internet salary sheet. So we write a file name I write this file name John Internet salary sheet. Okay. Good. Then file open. Okay. At first we took 1 and 2 rows and a 12 column margin center. Then I color it in my wheel. You can color it. We get a gap place. In this gap place, we can write this file name very smartly. John Internet salary sheet. Okay. We bold this font and change our font size. We make our font size bigger than before 24. Change our fill color and character color. We bold here John Internet salary sheet and color. At first, a column and 3 rows we write ID, every character write in capital letter. B column name of those person. C column basic. D column house rent. In house rent you give 5% or that you will wish. So total is last level. Next level, we can color this column. At first we color A column ID, next B column names, C column basic, D column house rent, and we color it different colors. All colors will be light, not deep. Deep color is not supported here. So at last we give I column. Next level, we select all columns and rows. And give all borders. We get. So next, in ID we write ID. So 101, 102, and name. Name here write John. Basic salary. So on person who earned basic, that says basic salary, that John earned 1000. John's ID 101. We can manage house rent. John's earned 1000. So we write equal 1000 into 5% press enter. One person whose name is John, his ID 101, basic salary 10,000 and house rent 5% 500. So TADA equal 10,000 into 2% enter click. Medical equal 10,000 into 3% enter. So next came to the total equal 10,000 plus 500 plus 200 plus 300. Click the enter button. 11,000. So cutting. Company you give a lot of opportunities. So she get some money from you. So we write it uh, total equal total into 5%. At last we can manage grand total. So it is so easy way equal total minus cutting, press the enter button. On 103 came coming to close, you get a plus sign and pull behind. So you get ID 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 7, 108, 9, 10. That's automatically. You can write this name manually. It's not came to automatically because one person's name MS Excel doesn't know. So John, Jackie, Roxy, Dolly. So James, and you can say Ria, Reja, Raju. That's who are Rocky, Ronnie, who are working in this company. And next level, basic salary cannot manage without result. Another person's name is Jack, whose ID is 102 and basic 11,000. Other person's name is Rocky, whose ID is 103, basic salary 12,000. Dolly 104, 12,000. Zams 105, 10,000. Ronnie 106, whose basic salary is 15,000. Charge, whose ID is 107, basic salary 5,000. We can't house rent automatically. We click plus sound and click below. In the same way, TADA, medical, total, that scheme automatically. Grand total comes automatically. You delete on person's name, her history is deleted. and you added on person's names and his basic salary, his every information is automatically came. Ria, whose ID is 108, basic salary is 15,000. His all information came automatically. So thanks for watching my video.